Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we take trades on continuations. So now you can see I can easily go here with the up movement. Why? You need to analyze this point. You can see from this point this is a spinning top sign of continuation. Now market came down, again went up, so it means that buyers are in control to go with the buyers again. So now you will see the market will definitely go up and it will close above our entry point. So if you analyze the market like this, if you wait for the good rejection in every candle, so the chances of your winning will be at least 85%. Okay, so now let me show you another trade. Okay, so to go with this situation, now you can see now I can go here with the sellers. I took my trade here in a down direction. Now you will see it will close below our entry point. Why? Because you can see market opened here, went up, came down, again went up. I took my trade here, so now you will see it will close below my entry point. The reasons are very simple to go with the buyers or sellers according to this situation, and you can see I'm taking this trade on the basis of also rejection strategy. So I have 2 points. The candle will close as a bearish or it will close below our entry point. Now you can see I got my second trade. Now I'm going to show you here. Okay, now you can see. Okay, if this candle changes its color and converts itself in red, I'm going to take my trade in up direction. So no, right now I cannot take any trade with this candlestick. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the next candlestick and then I will share what I have for the next move. You can see strong momentum and my next level is far away. Okay, so okay, the candle has to go up. It has to go up to go with the sellers. Yes, now if it gets a rejection, now I'm going to take my trade. Now this is the confirm point where I took my trade. Now you will see market will definitely go down. The chances of this candlestick to go down is almost 98% if you analyze the market and if you see the market movement. So now you will see an entry point is very good, so I can lose this trade only 2%. So the chances of loss is 2% and winning chances are 98%. So now you will see market will definitely close below my entry point. So this is how you can analyze the market. You checked what I did. Now I cannot trust this candle anymore because it is not meeting my criteria to go with the buyers or sellers. So here the situation is not good. Here we can expect a buyer's entry and also we can expect a seller's entry. Why? Because the movement of this candle is not accurate. So let me, okay, I cannot check any pair right now, so I will remain with this level, with this. Okay, this is the level. So in this zone I am seeing here two levels, two strong levels. Okay, so now if the candle goes up, it will give me a sign to go with the sellers. Okay, I'm waiting for this candle to go up. Okay, it has to come at least to this level, these two lines. So okay, it is going up. It has to go up a bit more. Now you can see I'm not getting the perfect situation, so this is a confusion. We need to check this move, we need to check the move of the candle. So here the situation was not good, so therefore I am not taking any trade. The candle can go down, the candle can close as a bullish because it is not giving us a perfect situation. So wait for the next candlestick, there is no need to go. Now you can see we are getting here a doji because confusion was there. So now you can see, okay, now again with this candlestick I cannot go here with the sellers or buyers. Why? Because the move of the candle is again not clear. It can make a strong bullish or it can close as a reversal. So I will wait for the next candle. The opening price of the candlestick matters a lot. I told you with this doji that the situation is not clear, so therefore I didn't took any trade, and now you can see we got here a doji. So I will wait. Okay, just try to check the opening price of the candle. Okay, you need to observe the closing point and opening price of the candle. So candle is exactly at the level right now, so we can go here with the sellers, but now it crossed. Now if candle goes up, okay, if the candle goes up again and converts itself as a green and then it converts itself again, okay, now you can see again what I said here, the situation is same here also. I cannot take any trade here. I will not take any trade here. So again I will wait, because I only take my trades in this session with the movement of the candlestick. So the movement of the candlestick is very important. Okay, so now you can see I'm seeing here again in doji. Now waiting for, okay, a very good entry point. If the candle goes up, it get a rejection. Now I can, okay, I'm late. So my entry point was this, so no issues, but I'm confirmed that the market has to go up because I am seeing here a movement of the candlestick in which I can see the opening price, and it gives me a confirmation that how can we take our trades. You can see it gave me a perfect move, went up. So this was my entry point. Again suddenly it went up, but now it is going up and up, so I will win this trade. So no issues for me. Okay, now again I will wait for the, okay, now in this candlestick, now you can see the situation is that to go with the buyers or sellers, we cannot take any trade with this candle because it is not showing us any possibility. So if I click this chart, okay, so in this zone I can use my rejection strategy. So market will close for me, it has to close above this point and this point. Let's see what happens here. This is the point, so let's see. Okay, yes, it closed exactly above that point. So now if the candle changes its color, Okay, now I can, okay, if this candle crosses the wick of this candle, I'm going to take my trade in a down direction, and you will see we will win if the candle goes up in upcoming 7 seconds. No, there is no confirmation. Okay, the situation is not good, so I cannot take any trade here. Now let's see and wait for the next candlestick. Okay, the opening price matters a lot. With the next candlestick, if I'm getting my opening price and if I'm getting my rejection strategy, I will take two trades, two different trades. You will see, and we will win both of them. Now you can see. Okay, I'm waiting for a good point. Okay, okay, now I can go here with the bias. If the candle comes down, I am late, but the market has to. Okay, I'm going to take one trade here in a down direction. You will see I will win this trade, and the second one was for an up direction from this point. Let's see what happens here. My entry point was this one and I was late, so it doesn't matter, but according to rejection strategy I will win this trade. You will see market will get a rejection and it will go down and it will close below our entry point. You can see in this area I was expecting a high option and here low option, so we can take both of trades here. So this is how we can see the market, and this is how we can take trades according to different situation on rejection strategy as well as also on opening price of the candle. So now you can see this candle is going down. If this candle, the running candle, comes to this level, this is my entry point. I will take my trade here in a down direction. I will win definitely here. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, and if you have any queries you can ask me, and you can join our group trading skills. The link is in the description, and you can learn many things which you will get in the paid courses. So I will try my level best to tell you all what you need. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Bye for now. Have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye.